Subscribe to Mark Tutorial YouTube channel and press this bell icon so you can stay updated with latest videos. Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial in which we will learn about the contra transaction in Mark ERP software. Transactions which affect both cash and bank ledgers, and their entry should be posted to both cash and bank accounts. This includes transferring cash from one bank to another, withdrawing from bank, depositing in bank, and transferring of cash to petty cash. So now, let's see how to implement contra transaction in Mark ERP software. For that, we have to go to Accounts menu, then to Voucher Entry, and then select Contra. Enter the details in this Contra voucher window to continue the bank or contra entries. Enter the transaction date, select the bank from which the amount is withdrawn, or select cash if cash is deposited in the bank. Enter the amount, select cash if it is received as cash, or select any other bank if it is transferred. Write down the desired narration for the records. Press enter to save the contra entry. So friends, in this way we can create the contra voucher in Mark software. Thanks for watching.